you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have the up box for December. Do you guys want to know what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so my December up box just arrived and I'm so excited to dive in here and see. This box is always amazing. Every month it changes with the seasons and the colors and the stuff, and I just can't wait to see what is in these every time. So this is the box with a whole bunch of nice inspirational words on there. And then when you open her up, aw, they always package it very nicely and they put little things in here. So today we have a little snowflakes, a little gingerbread man, and another snowflake. And then this month it says rejoice. So let's dive in here and see what we have going on. Okay, so right on top it says rejoice. So this is this month's theme. Welcome to your Rejoice box. So there is that. Fresh Baked Daily Gingerbread Baking Co. Cookies, cakes, cookies, pies. How cute. That is really cute, even just to put in a little frame and put out for this time of year. That would be really cute hanging on my wall for Christmas decor. I think that is really cute. And so there's that. And then it shows some of the partners that they partnered up with. There must be some sneak peeks with what's in here. And it says that it's valued at $125 or more. Holy moly. Okay, so the first item right in here says cotton tea towel. And let's see what it says on here. Very nicely wrapped and packaged, that's for sure. And it says, the weary world rejoices. So there is a tea towel, dish towel, whichever. Here is a little towel. So that is really cool. So then the next item in here, ooh, this is a beanie. This says, elevate your faith. And it looks like it is a nice little crocheted beanie. Let me get the plastic off for you. And here is the beanie. That is really nice. And especially this time of year, I'm sure a lot of people would really love to have this to keep their head warm in this time of year, because now we are in winter, just not here in Florida. I really wish, because now it's back in the 90s today. Holy moly, like what happened to our nice weather that we had for 2 days? It's gone. So there's that. Then we have something in this little thing here. How cute is this? A bath bomb? It is. Look how cute this bath bomb is. It's a little gingerbread man. That is simply adorable. That is adorable, you guys. We have a gingerbread bath bomb. Then this says, you are a conductor of light. Oh, it's a matchbook. It's matches. So you never know when you're gonna need matches. Ooh, they're black. Because you never know if the power is gonna go out and you need to light a candle or anything. So this is really cool, especially to have around the house, because you never know when you need a match. Matches. Okay, so then we have, ooh, candy cane peppermint whip soap. Ooh, that sounds amazing. They have the best soaps and body scrubs and body lotions that come out of this box. Ooh, that smells just like a candy cane. That smells just like a candy cane. Oh, I can't wait to use that. Okay, so there's that. Then we have is a gingerbread house. Ooh, is this a candle? All natural soy. Yes, and that's a gingerbread. It has a little wood wick. And it's a gingerbread candle. Oh, and that smells gingerbready. Gingerbready-y. I don't know, I guess I just made up some word. So there's that. Here is also a peppermint lip balm, good for this time of year, because once it finally gets kind of cold, this time of year kind of dries out my skin, my lips, everything. So it's always good to have extra lip balm. Then we have is a vanilla lace whipped soap sugar scrub. And this is a big one. Let's see here. Oh, it's safety sealed. Ooh, that smells really good. That smells good. But that's what it looks like inside of the sugar scrub. All right, and then we have the cards. So this one says, thank you. Aw, and this is actually a postcard. So you can actually send this to somebody if they send you a really nice gift and you want to be thoughtful and send them a little note. And then they send their own card that says thank you for getting their box. And then here is Rejoice. And then, because they always give you these cards, and then they'll have something inside. Ooh, how pretty. That's the inside of the card. You can give these to whoever. Okay, you guys, so that is everything that came in this December's box. So you have the scripture cards, you have a thank you card, you have a postcard, you have matches, you have a nice little cool little comfy warm beanie, you have a candy cane peppermint whip soap, you have a gingerbread candle, and you know your girl loves her candles. We have a good size vanilla body sugar whip soap scrub. We have a really cool looking gingerbread bath bomb. And then we have the dish towel. And then we have this card and then this card. And then of course you have these little guys that you can keep and use, plus the lip balm. So that is everything that came in this month's box. This box is sent to me for review, but my opinions are all my own, like always. Thank you so much, UPBOX, for sending me this amazing box to show my viewers. If you guys want to check them out, the link will be down below. You can use their code. They have a code that's UPBOX50 to get 50% off of your order if you get a 3-month subscription or more. And they have plans starting as low as $26.19, depending on how many months you prepay for. And this is an encouragement in a box, and it's a purpose for Christian women. Their mission is to encourage every woman's Christian journey in a meaningful way with monthly captivating and inspiring themes and boxes filled to the brim with small batches, handmade lifestyle goodies, including candles, lotions, scrubs, and jewelry. So every month they come up with a really cool theme and they stick to that theme with everything that's curated in the box. They do an amazing job putting this box together, picking out the items that go inside. So again, if you want to check them out, their link will be down below and you can use their code, and that is the UPBOX50 for 50% off your first order of 3 months or more. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. Go ahead and comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of this month's box? Did you get this box? Do you want to get this box? Are you on the fence with this box? Comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, and I appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one.